Life of a Dads of Dads Entertainment. Yeah, that's a Dadzlife. Check. Yeah. Well. Ha. Yeah. Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What? The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad. Tell him. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What the life of hello dads. Sons and daughters, I'm your long lost father. This is what I do.
Guys, this is Relive, the Dads on the Dadzlife YouTube channel. I don't know, we're at 5K 2025. You don't know, Sigma. Let's go, guys. The road, we're getting ready for the road, eh? So, look out for it. Yeah, so look how big, guys. So where is it now?
I just like crazy or unfit. I'm just telling you.
5K again. This is 4 years straight.
And walk into the fridge.
A ballet job. Let me get your Mercedes. Guys, we're about to start the Sigma 5K. We're walking to the start. What? Walking to the start. So guys, you have to look out, please. We're about to hit them up. We're about to turn up, people. We're about to turn up. Wait a second. Physical 100. Alright, wait, so let's go, you know. We're ready, you know. About to go to the starting line. Yeah guys, so that was Sigma 5K. You don't know, you got the highlights. You got us just passing the finish line, and as we actually finish, we just left. So I'm back at the house now, and this is the about 10 o'clock in the day, Sigma 5K. So you don't know, we came, we saw, we conquered. Me, Shaloma, and our nephew Kashane. So you know, so we did it. Big up on ourselves every time. It's Sigma 5K.